I love you, Wade Wilson.
We can fight this.
You're right. The cancer's only my liver, lungs, prostate, and brain. All things I can live without.
What if I told you we can make you better? You're a fighter. We can give you abilities most men only dream of. Make you a superhero.
You just promise you'll do right by me, so I can do right by someone else. And please don't make the super suit green or animated.
One thing that never survives this place is a sense of humor.
We'll see about that, Posh Spice. Oh, come on. You gonna leave me all alone here with less angry Rosie O'Donnell?
Hey, yeah, I wanna shoot, baby.
Packed in your stack, especially in the back, brother. Wanna thank your mother for a butt like that. You're a shotgun. Hey, what's the fuck that say? I wanna know, how does it change? Straight up, wait up, hold up, Mr. Buck, like Prince Nick, you're a sexy mother.
Wait! You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea. He wore the brown pants.
Daddy needs to express some rage.
X gon' give it to you. Motherfucker! X gon' deliver to you. Damn right, can I do it again? Yeah, I am licensed, got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I break who you sending me.
It reeks like old lady pants in here.
Sounds like you have a dick in your mouth.
Oh, motherfucker, you are hard to look at.
Like a testicle with teeth.
You look like Freddy Krueger face-fucked a topographical map of Utah.
Exactly.
Down, down, like a shit free. I won't be the one ending up on the beat, bitch, please. If the only thing you can't steal was came out to play, stay out my way, motherfucker.
I'm touching myself tonight.
X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya.
You are haunting. You look like an avocado had sex with an older avocado.
Thank you.